This is a public service announcement. Accidents can happen at any time. This happens. Folks need to take the cities 3,600.
Do you like to talk about yourself?
No, I never talk about myself. There are so many more important things than I am. And my family, my kids, my country, and it's much more important than me. It's like, no, I never talk about myself.
Do you love yourself?
I think woman, it's not about loving yourself. It's like about giving yourself to others. It's not about loving yourself.
What is beautiful to you?
I will show you the... I have an idea, okay? I had somewhere there. Ingrida, where did you put it?
I don't know. Lukas, where did you put it?
Okay, this is the picture from '73, and you see all these great people around, and this beautiful woman standing. I will pass it by, actually, you can see. And you know, the most beautiful thing is when your inner world is shining out. It's really that the most beautiful woman is, you know, that who is showing her soul. And it's not about really like, even though she looks, don't look, it's very beautiful, but don't look so long. So it's really like, she looks really like Marilyn Monroe. I think she was born not in the right place and not in the right time. She was supposed to be in Hollywood. But still, you know, it's not about outfit. It's really about inner beauty. I would take this nice car. I would maybe take 2 kids from the 5, that we would have more space, and we would travel all around the Czech Republic. We would go to Česká Švýcarská to see the rocks, and then we go through all the Czech Republic, and maybe we will pass Pilsner, I don't know, maybe to have some nice beer there. And then, I think, of course, the last goal would be Prague, of course. I don't think so that we will stay for all overnight there, because it's kind of a bit waste of money to stay overnight. So we can, you know, go to the countryside, maybe to stay somewhere in the tent or like in a budget place to stay. So it's really like me and my husband and kids would be so happy. So do you understand what is freedom for me?
Definitely.
Okay.
I have, I guess, one more question to ask. If you would have the power to change, what would you change?
I made this list of wishes on the last New Year. Actually, I do it every New Year, you know, because I read in the magazine that it's very kind of helpful, you know, that then you kind of can have these steps, you know. So first thing that what I would do all the computers would disappear. Really, because it ruins our life, and all this information you get, and also, of course, the medias and TV and like internet, I think I just would do like this, computers disappear, and the world would get much, much nicer, I guess. And yeah, because it's like crazy, you know, like all these kids sitting in front of computers. No way to continue.
Do you discuss a lot?
Discuss what?
Everything. In general.
What discuss?
Do you discuss a lot?
What discuss?
You do not discuss?
What?
Okay.
You know what?
What?
Okay, I got it now. I mean, the second thing, what I would change, I would stop people arguing. It's just, you know,
like discussing.
Sorry?
Like we are doing now, I mean discussing. Asking questions,
No.
answering.
No. It's like arguing, really. Going into the conflict. Like we are losing all our energy in this arguing, in the conflicts. It's like, please come here, you know, like we just better drink tea, you know, it doesn't matter, 5 or 6 o'clock in the evening. It's just, you know, it's better just to be nice. And so this I would really change, you know, definitely. Oh, the huge ones. Mm-hmm. The liberation of women's sexuality is essential male defined. Women's sexuality is to be liberated in terms of the male viewer, definer, judge. Narratives, and in particular stories that people tell about their lives become as the central means by which people give meaning to their lives across time.
Да.